boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Clinton Kane here with a song called Disappear. And you think, why on a guitar? Yeah, it's a little bit different, but if you love Clinton Kane, if you're a fan of him, and you also love guitar playing, then this is a perfect match here. A little bit different, but anyway, we'll learn the song. So let's start. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. 4 chords that goes in the same way from beginning till the very end. So yes, let's look at the chords. We have C first, that is 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The A minor, very easy, you just keep that C and move your ring finger down under the middle finger there, land on the 2nd G. So that gives us open A, 2nd D still, now 2nd G, 1st B still, and still open E. There you have your A minor. Very easy transition, and that's also the case with the next chord. That's the E minor. Just move up to this position here. And you have open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So there you have the order of the chords: C, A minor, E minor, and D. And I would suggest that you play this with 4 downs per chord, like I showed you here in the introduction of the tutorial. So it will be C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 3, 4. And that's it, guys. So Clinton Kane, Disappear. I hope you don't disappear from Gordon Guitar. We just play some strange songs sometimes on guitar, and that's great because I want to show you that everything is playable almost on guitar. So that's anyway. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for support. Till next time, play tuned.